Can you imagine when you come here so when sun is shine? Eh? When the sun is shining, yeah man, you get a very, very nice view of the place. You see them light, the one I see this, so them red light there. And the helicopter, them runway, then them taxi way, them taxi out to the end of this and then take off. More flat here. All flats along the Thames, look. A pier flat them come all the way down here. So look there. A pier flat, all of them now. Can't believe see the people make them dog fall up the place and then I clean up for them dog. Okay, so when I come in there, one day I come back. Yeah man. Come back? No? And that we are from somewhere else. Okay. See the helicopter pad there, right? That's there. Yeah, up on the wharf there. That is the helicopter pad right there. So see the back them and the air, the wind thing them there. So, yeah? So that are the pad. You know what in there. You understand? So the right so over here so them come from. Can't see nothing over there still. This is where them behind us one, yeah? Helicopter there. Understand? Make we see something. No. We can't have nothing to look at all. Okay. I'm gonna circle around. Oh my goodness. So round here, so I think you can get helicopter tour around here, so from this. Let's go on the front to show the helicopter tour. Let's go on the front to see them place, them entrance. Pokemon. Yeah, this is what I don't like. In the middle of the building them like this, you see me? I can't unless sun shine, and when sun shine, very hard for you to get it. Cause the building them just around each other. Okay, that's what it's called. London Heliport, Edmiston. So this way, I guess you come in here, so come book flight. Fly over London. I think they probably carry you, go fly you over London. Strictly Heliport customers park here, so yeah. Okay, yeah, so the right over this about. I don't see no helicopter. The helicopter, one of them gone off. So we're gonna try to get back to that side there. Ah, the bridge. So in the south, where you can see, in the south way. In the south, which part the helicopter them land and pick up the people from in there, so. Can you go this side and go across the bridge? Huh? Yo. Yeah. Can you go this side to go across the bridge, across the river? Yeah. Sure?
That way.
Yeah. You go that way and you can go across the river, right?
Yeah.
Ah, cheers, thanks.
There's going to be a bridge,
yeah? Yeah. It's scary?
Huh?
Is it a scary one?
I don't know. I think it's a bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, you turn right up this there, there's a bridge.
Oh, you never used it yet?
Huh?
Have you ever used it yet?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's cool, eh?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. too. Oh Lord, for go walk across.